Okay, day 2 of New York City. We are going to have breakfast right now. Our hotel doesn't have breakfast, so we are gonna go down somewhere near here. There's a breakfast place. It looked really good. I'm super looking forward to it because like, I'm kind of hungry and it looked really good on the pictures. So here we go. Right, there's a cozy spot. Or right here. Let's sit here, right here. Oh my god, look at this. We've got whipped milk, we've got chocolate, and we're gonna make our own hot chocolate. Look at that. This is gonna be like seriously so good. I think I have to scoop it though, because it's not like pouring too easily. It's like, it's literally amazing. It's literally, oh, I spilled some. I spilled some. Oops. It's literally amazing though. It's so good. This looks so good. What? Like, look at this. And we got some salmon on the side too. Originally, I was gonna get avocado bread, but I saw this on the menu and it sounded really good. So I went for it. And I just asked for some salmon on the side because I love salmon. Look at that though. Look at that. Big vibe. We are now heading back out. Okay, so now we are going to the subway to go to this place where we can take a tram. It's like a gondola. It's like, you'll see when we get there. It's gonna be really cool. I'm super excited. Yeah, here we go. Goodbye. Okay, so now we're just walking to the tram. I could actually see the tram if I looked this way. See, if you look far into the distance, all the way over there. Can't zoom in enough, but it's there. All right, so this is it.
Been at it already, had my tarot read. Things are looking up for me, that's what my tarot said. Been pumping out pheromones and wearing red. Young Jerry Lolliver King, but they're not aware of it.
Is this normal?
I don't know if it's supposed to be like this right now. We're like swinging.
Not sure what's going on.
$40 is show money, that's what they stole from me. Blow it all bowling, guess I roll funny. Go find me a snow bunny, ask if this cold world's making her nose runny. She melted, I wear a cape that is velvet, couldn't see it,
That was really cool, I enjoyed that. It randomly stopped though, and it was like swinging. I don't know if that was supposed to happen, but it's an experience, what can I say?
There were 15 people at the gig, saying, oh my god, what fun this is. Did it all, did it right, did it big. Yeah, buddy, we were loving it. New cards, new deck, new life. King of Cups, he comes up right. Always, all days, all nights. Sing do-wah, do-wah, do-wah.
So that was really cool. I really enjoyed that. The views from that thing, on the way back there was a ton of bird poo on the window, but like, it's fine. I still was able to like go in between it, but those views were crazy. It was like having a drone fly through it, except you are the drone. You get to see it yourself. So now we are going to Hudson Yards. There's this really cool art piece. It's called The Vessel. And then after that, we are going to go to the B&H camera store. I have all of my dream camera equipment right now, but we still want to take a look because it's the world's biggest camera store. Why wouldn't we want to go there? So yeah, that's the plan. Just to keep things interesting, it is starting to rain. No, it's honestly, I don't mind. I absolutely love the rain, especially when it comes to like street photography, that kind of stuff. So if it's raining, I don't mind. Look at this. That is cool. So that right there was the vessel. So cool, honestly. I got so many cool pictures. It's like abstract architecture. It's so cool. Okay, so now after this, we are going to go to B&H Photo. It's gonna be super cool. It's the world's biggest camera store. People have said that it's like the IKEA of camera equipment. So, super cool. I hope it's open. We close Fridays at 1 p.m. Oh no. Oh, that sucks. So today is Friday, they're already closed, and Saturday is our last day here, and they are closed Saturday. So that means no B&H this time, but we're gonna go there next time though. Okay, so we are in Times Square. I've got my camera with me. We just finished the dinner. Raining, it's actually pouring. So this is excellent for street photography. We can use reflections, puddles, that kind of stuff. Gonna be cool. All right, here we go.
Lighten the tension.